How to remove items from cart in AliExpress. Now in order to do that, you just simply need to open your browser and search for AliExpress, then open aliexpress.com website. And after opening the website, you are gonna see a lot of options, and one of those is cart in this bottom row. Also, you can do this from the mobile application and just simply tap to cart now, and after going in here you are gonna see the items that are in your cart. Now you just simply need to select the item which you would like to remove, and then you can either check out in order to remove the item, or you can just simply tap to remove button right here and tap to remove again in order to confirm the removal. Like this, you can do this to as many products as you want to remove from the cart. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.